I'm going to show you how to make waves using your Dyson Corrale. It's very simple. Firstly, make sure you take your hair in sections. So get a few of these clips if you have them. I've just isolated this section of my hair, and make sure that it's no wider than the plates on your Dyson Corrale. Make your job much easier. So I'm just going to show you here with this piece. Make sure the rest of your hair is out of your way. So take the Corrale and place it at the top of the section. Then what you're going to do is twist it 360 degrees. Doesn't matter which direction. And just glide down nice and slowly, not squeezing too hard on the plates. Gentle and slow. Okay, so when you reach the ends, it'll spring up like this, like a nice curl. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your ends, just the bottom inch or two, and just straighten them like that. So that'll give you that wavy effect. And once you've done all the head, I'd recommend to rotate the directions. You're just going to run your fingers or a wide tooth comb through the waves to give that lovely beachy effect with the straight ends like that.